Good morning, students. Welcome to the moral science class of this week. Dear students, in last class we have completed lesson number 4. Today we will start lesson number 5. Today we will complete reading, understanding and question answer of lesson number 5. So let's start our class. So here this is the lesson number 5, which I am going to read one by one and then I will explain you also. So see the first paragraph. What is given here? First paragraph, that with some food in him, Kibomi has more energy and moves faster. When he ran from his village, he felt mostly fear and anger. What happened? That with some food in him, Kibomi has more energy and move faster. What is happening? That in last class I have explained you that first Kibomi was weak because he has not eaten for 2 days. So because of that his body was weak. He was not finding any strength in his body. Then what happened? He got some food from that old man. Okay, so when he has taken the food, now what is happening? He is having some energy. So with some food in him, Kibomi has more energy and moves faster now. Now he is moving towards his goal. He has to go to Nangata. So he is moving faster now. When he ran from his village, that time he was mostly fear. He was feeling fear and anger that time. Okay, but now what is happening? Now he is beginning to recover his good feeling he has always had about people. Okay, now what happened? He started to gain the same feeling which before he was having. Like before, what he wanted to do? He wanted to make this world a better place. Okay, so same feeling now he started to gain again. Okay, after meeting that old man, now he start the means recovering his the good feelings. Okay, the old man was a Kungu, but he was kind and wise. What happened? The old man from whom that Kibomi met, he was a Kungu, but he was very kind and wise, and he shared his food with Kibomi. The words he spoke were beautiful and full of hope. Whatever words he spoke, that old man spoke to Kibomi, it was very beautiful and that full of hope. So because of that, now Kibomi he start to regain his good feeling. Now he is remembering the words of the old man, what he was saying, that we have to make choices. We were created to love, not to hate. These all the words he heard from that old man. So now he is remembering the old man. This is the first paragraph. Okay, now I am going to explain you the second paragraph. Okay, so here second paragraph it is explained here. Kibomi continued to follow the river towards Nangata. Now what is happening? He is moving towards Nangata and he decided at the beginning only that he will follow the path of river. Okay, so Kibomi continues to follow the river towards Nangata. After walking for a while, what happened? After walking for a while, he hears voices and quickly hides behind a large tree. What happened? He hides himself behind a tree. Why? Because he hears some noises, some voices he is listening. He hears. So he is thinking that who is there? Maybe that Kungu soldiers can be there, could be there. So because of that, what he does? He hides himself behind a tree. A group of young men are approaching. What he is seeing? That some group of young men is coming towards him. They are speaking the Adumbu language. Means those people, they were speaking Adumbu language. It means they are from the Adumbu tribes. Okay, so Kibomi is happy to hear his language and slowly steps out from behind the tree. As soon as he hears that the voice it is coming, that it is the his language, his tribe's language. So what happens? He came out slowly. He steps out from behind the tree. The men are wearing uniforms. What he's seeing? The men they were wearing some uniforms. Okay, they are soldiers of the Adumbu revolt army. Okay, so it means that they are the soldiers. They are the Adumbu rebel army. Rebel means they want to take revenge. Like maybe their parents also killed by the Kungu. So now they have formed an army. Okay, to take the revenge. So what was the soldiers? They are the soldiers of Adumbu rebel army. Some of them are quite young and one looks the same age as Kibomi. What he is finding, most of the soldiers were young and one is like his age, like Kibomi's age. Okay, the soldiers stop as soon as they see him and hold up their guns. As soon as the soldiers is seeing the Kibomi, they holds their gun to fire. Wait, says Kibomi. I am Adumbu like you. What is happening? As soon as they are seeing, they starts their gun. Okay, they holds their gun to fire. But Kibomi is saying, wait, I am Adumbu like you. I also belong to the same tribe like you. Okay, so what happened? What are you doing out here alone? Ask their leader impatiently. Impatiently means like what is happening? If you meet your people, so what will happen? You will become impatient, means very impatiently, very quickly. He is asking the question that what are you doing out here alone? Alone, what you are doing here? So the Kungu attacked our village and killed my parents. I had to run away, answers Kibomi. Kibomi is giving answer that Kungu killed my parents. So because of that, I have to run away from my village. Come and join us then, says the leader. The leader is replying that come and join us then. Come and join us, our army. Okay, says the leader. We must teach the Kungu a lesson. We must teach a Kungu a lesson that why they have done this. Make them pay for what they did to your family. Means that leader he is encouraging Kibomi to join the army and take revenge from the Kungu. Okay, and telling that you must make them pay for what they have done to your family. Okay, Kibomi is tempted. Tempted means he is eager now. Means he also thought that I have to join he was tempted. He thinks a little and is about to accept the invitation. He also want to join the army to take the revenge. He was tempted. The boy soldier comes forward and extends to him his hands. Okay, the one soldier who was very young, like his age, he comes near to Kibomi and what he does, the boy soldier comes forward and extends to him his hand. He spread his hands and telling that come and join our army. Kibomi looks into his eyes and is disturbed by the despair he sees in them. What happened? That now what is happening? Kibomi looks into his eyes, that young soldier's eyes he is looking. So that time he get the disturbed. He disturbed. Why he got the disturbance? He got disturbed by the despair in his eyes. What happened? He finding that it is no more hope in his eyes. Despair. What is the meaning of despair? Meaning of despair is loss of hope or hopelessness. Okay, so it means that he is finding that in his eyes there is no hope. That soldier's eyes, although he had joined the army, he is taking the revenge, but then also he is not finding any hope in his eyes. Okay, because of that he got disturbed. Kibomi sees in them. He hesitates. Now what happened? Kibomi, he hesitates. Before he was tempted to join, he was eager to join. Okay, but now he is, what is happening? He hesitates, Kibomi, to join that army. I may join you later, he says with his voice shaking. His voice was shaking, and he said that I may join you later. Now I will not able to join. I may join you later, but now I must go and find my sister. Now I will go and find my sister. Now I must find my sister first. Afterwards I may join you later. So like this. So the next paragraph, it is given here, as the soldiers walk away, one turns and says, remember, fighting back is the only way. Kibomi does not answer. While going, means as they are moving, all the soldiers, so one of them, he turns towards the Kibomi and says that, remember, fighting back is the only way. Only way is that fighting back. We must fight. We must take the revenge. Okay, but Kibomi does not answer anything. So this was the lesson. What we have learned in this lesson, that what is happening, Kibomi slowly he starts regaining his previous attitude. Like before, what he wanted to do from the childhood, his father, he was teaching him that you are the young, very young, and your heart is very pure. You must do the good things for the world. You please make this world, try to make this world a better place. Okay, you don't get the disturbed by the things which people are doing. Okay, and now he start gaining this all the things. So these things is there. Now further we will learn in the next chapter more. So now we are going to the question answer. So I am going to read the first question. What is here? First question, it is given, what did Kibomi feel when he left his village? What did Kibomi feel when he left his village? So what he feel? So I am going to give this answer. So here are the answers here. That question number 1 answer, when Kibomi left his village, he felt mostly fear and anger. When he left that time village, that time he was feeling fear and anger. So this was the answer of first question. Now the second question, what is the second question? Second question, it is given, why has his feeling changed after seeing the old man? Before he was feeling fear and anger, so now why his feeling is changed after seeing the old man? This is the question. So the answer of second question, it is the different answer can be accepted here. Okay, you may write some different answer also, but according to me I have written this answer, that his feeling had changed after seeing the old man, because the old man was a Kungu, but he was kind towards Kibomi and shared his food with Kibomi. What happened? He shared his food with Kibomi. The words he spoke were beautiful and full of hope. Okay, so you may write like this answer. Now the next question, third number question, it is given, why does Kibomi hide behind the tree? Why does Kibomi hide behind the tree? So answer of this question, it is given, I have written, Kibomi hides behind the tree because he hears voices of some people. Okay. Now question number 4th. What is the question number 4th? Question number 4th, it is given, why are the young men in uniform, who are the young men in uniform that he meets? So the answer of this question, it is, the young men in uniform are soldiers of Adumbu rebel army. Okay, they are the soldiers of Adumbu rebel army. Now question number fifth. It is given that what does the leader ask Kibomi to do? What does the leader ask Kibomi to do? So here answer it is given that the leader asked Kibomi to join the Adumbu rebel army. Okay, the leader he asked Kibomi to join that army, his army, Adumbu rebel army. Okay, and the last question, question number 6, it is given what does Kibomi see in the eye of the boy soldier? What does Kibomi see in the eyes of the boy soldier? So what he see? So answer here I have given, last question answer it is given, Kibomi sees despair in the eyes of the boy soldier. Okay, what he sees? He sees despair in his eyes. Okay, so this is that here I have completed the question answer also. So that's all for today. Today's homework it is, you will read this chapter very nicely once or twice and please try to understand nicely. And second homework is that do the given question answer in your copy and learn them. Okay, thank you students.